Hello viewers, here I am with the video tutorial about authentication in Laravel. So first make a Laravel project. Here I am already created a Laravel project. Open your editor. I am using Sublime. So open your project folder. Okay, so this one my project. Here the routes, here is the views, only welcome.blade.php. So if I wanna access this one, so localhost, this one is our welcome.blade.php page. So we want to make this project authenticated. If want to make this authenticated, first open your command prompt, make a command, make auth. Here is authentication generated successfully. Look, after making this command there is a page added here, home.blade.php. In routes, look, there is a auth route created here which contains the home controller, index, home and another route. So if we want to access this home page, it's not give us to access this home page without login. So this is the main process of authentication. Without login you can't access the page where what you want to define. So authentication is a process which define your user identity. If the user is admin, it can be moderator, it can be an author, or etc. Using authentication you can get the valid user. Okay, so let's start the process. Okay, here is two home and welcome. Let's make our own page, a single page. Save it as admin.blade.php. okay, so give a body style, center, you are authenticated. Okay, so let's see our admin page. Why we have to define a route, get admin, let's make a controller, and named it test controller. oh, okay, controller created. Okay, so uses test controller index. Test controller index, actually test in test controller index function we will gonna define which page we will view in our browser. Okay, name this route, I named it as admin. Okay, go on now, test controller, sorry, test controller index, return view on admin.blade.php, return on admin page. Okay, you are authenticated. This is our admin page. Now we will gonna make this page authenticated. Without login we can't show this page. Okay, then go authentication, middleware. Then what is middleware? Middleware is middle of controller and routes. It works between the controller and routes. So like go on your home controller. Look, in home controller they use a function this middleware what it means. This middleware is this authentication is uses middleware which is working between the controller and routes. I will gonna copy this and paste it on test controller v. Okay, so go on now web.blade.php, use middleware, okay. Now go look, now if you refresh this page, this will show your login page. Without login you can't access now the admin.blade.php. Okay, now we have to migrate the user table and password table. Where is the user table? Go on migrations, the user table and password table. In user table there is ID, name, email, password, and password table there is password reset option, email token created it. Okay, so in XAMPP there is a problem. First you have to go on your providers, go on your app service provider, add use schema, and you have to define the string length here. It's 191. Okay, so now migrate. Oh, sorry, first you have to make a database here. Okay, make a database. I'll name it auth and create, and go on your project and define the database name. I named it auth and username is root, password is none. Okay, now make a migration, PHP artisan migrate. Look, here is the table created, which is user table and password table. Now if I want to log in this page, first I have to register, then login. So okay, go on register, name admin, email admin mail.com, password is root admin, password must be with 6 characters, so I give the name root admin. You can give any name whatever you want, root admin. Okay, register. This is already registered. Now log out, now login. Okay, now you can log in with this mail and password what you registered a few seconds ago. Password is root admin. Okay, click on login. After login we see this page, not our page, admin.blade.php. so I want that after login we will show this admin.blade.php where this type is shown, you are authenticated. Okay, then for this we have to go on providers, no, middleware. Yes, in middleware there is an option redirect authenticated. The redirect authenticated means after login the page where is the page will be loaded. Here look, here the page is loaded home, cause here after authentication guard check, after the authentication check the guard, then the page will redirect on home page. Then I want, this is not home page, this will be the admin page. Okay, now make a look, log out, login, admin, root admin, login. Okay, look, it is not give us access on our admin page, so we have to do another work. Go on your authentication login controller. In authentication login controller, use app unit support word auth. Okay, now redirect to home. It's not home. Redirect to where? Redirect to if authentication check. Which is our route name? Our route is admin. Okay, oh okay, what a mistake. Support auth and redirect to the route admin. Okay, so now refresh it. Log out, log in with your admin mail and password, your valid email and password. You are authenticated. Okay, this is the main authentication process. Using this process you can authenticate your project. Okay, that's all.